Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Chefman air fryer and the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let's get started. Both products offer versatile countertop cooking options. The Chefman air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast your food to crispy perfection, while the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo provides even more functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast. With the COSORI combo, you can explore more possibilities by saving your preferred time and temperature settings. When it comes to cooking speed, both products excel. The Chefman air fryer uses rapid air heating elements, allowing you to cook fast, even, and crispy food. No need to preheat like traditional ovens. The COSORI combo, equipped with 6 heat elements and a 2-speed fan, can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. Enjoy meals in minutes with both of these appliances. Healthy cooking is made easy with both products. The Chefman air fryer lets you make healthy meals using 98% less oil than traditional fryers, resulting in delicious, guilt-free dishes. The COSORI combo, on the other hand, offers the benefits of air frying with its even cooking technology. Both options allow you to enjoy healthier meals without compromising on taste. Simplified setup and ease of use are key features of both products. The Chefman air fryer comes with 17 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen, making it convenient for anyone to cook perfect meals in minutes. The COSORI combo takes convenience to the next level by offering control through the VSync app. You can even connect it to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control. If you're looking to cook meals for the whole family or need to meal prep in larger quantities, both products have you covered. The Chefman air fryer boasts a family-sized 10-liter capacity, which is great for feeding a hungry crew. The COSORI combo offers a spacious 26-quart, 25-liter capacity with 2-layer even cooking, allowing you to fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. Nobody likes spending hours cleaning up after cooking. Fortunately, both products make cleanup a breeze. The Chefman air fryer features removable drip trays and dishwasher-safe parts, ensuring minimal cleanup and making it quick and simple. The COSORI combo comes with an external removable crumb tray to prevent soup from dirtying the bottom, and its non-stick food tray is easy to clean. Say goodbye to lengthy cleanup sessions. Let's talk about price. The Chefman air fryer is priced at $139, while the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo is priced slightly higher at $159. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so always check for the best deals. And that wraps up our comparison between the Chefman air fryer and the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo. Both products have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you towards making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.